morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you're well. And today, welcome again to my art space. I wanted to show you a couple of things. I wanted to tell you something. What happened was I videoed something halfway and then my phone decided that it doesn't have any more space in its memory because I've been recording these videos and storing them on my phone and it seized up. So I'm thinking, oh no, I have to record. This is what happens when you do it live, right? I had already built my page. What do I do now? So I'm going to explain to you what happened. So what happened here, like what I've done here, and then I'm going to demonstrate to you on another sheet of paper. So basically what I've done here is to build a pocket, a really easy pocket. So this is a book page and I've stuck the pages here together in between. You might see in a minute, and then there's a pocket here and there's a pocket here, and I've stuck that to the book. And I've just found this because I didn't quite like what was on here, so I decided to put this here. And this is the same. I've just found another piece of paper which is a little bit smaller and then flip it the other way. And so this is the corner where I can put stuff in, and then there's another pocket behind, and I've stuck another piece of paper here. So okay, you might be thinking, what is she talking about? Let me show you how to make a pocket. So no matter what size your page is, don't worry about this corner because it's going to be hidden. So this is obviously the size of the magazine, but you can use the same concept for a smaller piece of paper. So what you're doing is you're just folding to half like that, and then fold again on this side, right? And you may not like the book page, that's fine, because you can actually decorate it, which is what I did on here. I put extra piece of paper there, or you can glue stuff, or you can collage it. And then you fold this way. Now if you fold this way, you can glue here. When you glue here, and this one, as I said, that's the back, that doesn't matter. So assuming that it's a full piece of paper, right? You have a pocket here and you have a pocket here. So there's two pockets, and you can actually glue it to your book like that, right? And this one here, what I've done, instead of doing it that way, what I've done is I've tucked it in like that. Sorry. Move that there. I'm just gonna alright, this size is a little bit different, but what you can do is, if you've got a bigger and a larger book page, you can do it like that, tuck it in that way, right? And then you have got a pocket here, and you can glue that to your book. I hope that makes sense. Let me just show you again. This is what happens when you're because I can reuse that anyway. So let me show you again from here. So you fold it half, and you fold it again, right? And you fold it that way. For the front, you glue this page and this page together. Why not I do that? Because I can always use that later. So we glue this here, and you can decorate that. You can glue that here, or you can leave the flap up. That doesn't matter. It depends on what you want to do with it. So that's glued, and then that's your pocket. So then you can stick that here. And what I've done with this one is to fold. So instead of folding that like that, I folded that like that. And because the paper is a smaller size, that's why it looked a little bit different. But you can put it on your page like that, and if it doesn't fit, if it's a small one, you can just cut it here. Right? And you can put that there like that. And of course you can decorate at the front. But what I wanted to show you is these. A friend of mine, well, she is a friend now. She is a great supporter of my channel, and she sent me some stuff. Well, a whole bag of stuff, in fact. And I am so grateful for her because she included these very cute paper clips, which I've been wanting to do for a while, but haven't got around to it. So I'm going to pop that here, and I'm going to show you how to do that paper clip. Now, you know, if you're watching still, remember I said my camera actually seized up. I'm going to move that across. Not seized up. That is my fault because I did not empty my memory on my phone, and it's decided to stop while I'm filming, and I had deleted it accidentally because I was cleaning my memory, the things that happened. So I actually built this on video. What I did was, so with Debbie's idea, I decided to build one, but I'm going to show you how to do it. And I did use my flower when I said I'm not using, but that's just an example. So I'm going to do another one using book page. Let me find my Amazon paper because I decided to use my Amazon paper to show you how to do this. Alright, I decided to use my Amazon paper, and I'm just going to cut round about here, so just leaving a little bit around it so that, and we want to cut almost double the length of the image or whatever that we want to put on here. So then I'm going to fold that in half. Like that. Now I like that to be seen so that it gives a little bit of texture. And it doesn't matter if it's not 100% straight, but if that actually annoys you, you can straighten it up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to do that. And just cut that. So depending on what look you want, and I'm just gonna leave that a little bit uneven on that side. And you grab a paper clip. If you're looking for paper clips and you live in Australia, Kmart has great paper clips, and these are I think $2 or $2.50, and you can see there's different colors. And they are great buy. They are definitely a great buy. So you want to put your paper clip the short side in there like that. And that's the longer side. And then I'm just going to glue the sides here. Now you could use double-sided tape or fabric glue, or I'm just going to use Elmer glue because I don't have that at the moment, but Debbie recommended fabric glue. She found that that's the best. Now if this doesn't stick, because this has got a bit of a shiny surface on the inside, if this doesn't stick, then I'll just go ahead and go and get myself some fabric glue. But otherwise I'm just going to try and use what I have. I don't want to necessarily rush out and just get that glue. So I want to thank Debbie for the tip because I am very excited. I'm just going to move this and build it here. I'm very excited about making this little hidden paperclip thing. I think it's such a great idea. And it is so cute. And I will just use this glue, I think, to just, there we go. And that's just going to sit there like that. I know in this one that I have actually used my flower, and I'm not supposed to. Well, it's not that I'm not supposed to. I just want to challenge myself and use the book page. So I'm going to do that. See if I can find something to just put on top. Alright, I found this, and that's a play on words. So creative. Yep, that's definitely cute. And so I'm going to use this idea of stapling that to that. And remember the last episode I made stickers. So this was one of them, and I'm just going to put that there. Oh, we're definitely moving mountains with these new paper clips. So what I might do then is to put that here. As you can see, I might move it up a little bit. There we go. And that's my paper clip. And of course you can put bits and pieces in there, say your pocket here. If you wanted to store stuff, you certainly can. Let me show you. Right, you can put that in here, and you could put, say, notes to write. You can certainly slip that in there. So hope you had fun today, and I'm so sorry that my video didn't really turn out the way I really wanted to, building the book the way I should have. But anyway, this is what happens in life, and I'm still learning, and I'm sure you are still learning. But let me know in the comments how you're going with your junk journaling. Are you enjoying it? Sometimes do you get stressed and overwhelmed by the whole thing? But today I am so wrapped. So thank you again to Debbie for helping me get my butt in gear so that I can build this paperclip. I've been thinking about it for a while, but I wasn't sure how to do it. So it actually came to me, and thank you for the tip. And thank you so much. Hope you have a good week, and see you in my next video. Bye.